Hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech Byte Tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Checkboxes option on your Windows 10%. Let's dive right into it. On your search bar, type, "This PC." Click, "This PC," on the icon above right. Click on the View tab. Click on the Option button. Click on the Change Folders option that show up below. Click on the View tab above. Scroll down, find and check the Use Checkboxes to select item, and click Apply. Click on OK, and that's it. Here is also another way, much easier and shorter. Still on the Explorer window, click the View tab above. Check the Item checkbox on the toolbar, and now you can use checkboxes to select items. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more tech tips and insights. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to see more videos like this.